नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं अनुराग अग्निहोत्री आज दोबारा आपके सामने अपने इस हफ्ते की जो रिकमेंडेशंस हैं और रिव्यू हैं वो लेके हाजिर हूँ। मैं शुरू करूँ उससे पहले रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप अपने अपने परिवार का और पड़ोसियों का ख्याल रखिए, जिसकी मदद कर सकते हैं मदद करिए और बच के रहिए। दिस इज़ द कोरोना स्पेशल टाइम है, प्लीज़ अपने घरों में रहिए, जितना हो सकता है बचाव करिए। इसी के साथ-साथ अगला रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि आप अपने चैनल को जो फिनग्रोथ मंत्रा है, उसको सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, बेल आइकन दबाते रहिए। अब हमारे एक मित्र हैं, जो सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, उनका कहना है कि अनुराग जी आपने भेजा था, वो हमें पता नहीं लगा नया वाला। भई पता आपको इसलिए नहीं लगा बिकॉज़ आपने सब्सक्राइब तो किया लेकिन बेल आइकन नहीं दबाया। तो बेल आइकन दबाने से क्या होगा? इट विल कम टू यू, नोटिफिकेशंस विल कम टू यू, दैट विल हेल्प यू। Okay, so I am going to discuss with you now that what are the recommendations and review of this particular uh, episode today. So I'm sharing my screen so that you can see what we are going to do today. And आज मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगा कि कैसे मैं चार्ट्स वगैरह आपको देख के बताता हूँ। और उसके अलावा मैंने ऑलरेडी कुछ फंडामेंटल स्टॉक्स हैं, उनके बारे में एनालिसिस कर लिया है, वो मैं आपको कल के वीडियो में डालूंगा। एंड मैंने ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिया है, तो आपको देखने को मिल जाएंगे कौन से स्टॉक्स हैं। So this is for tomorrow, 23rd of May. It is being published for you and Monday से आप इसके बारे में देख सकते हैं। तो प्लीज़ एक तो सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए फिनग्रोथ मंत्रा को, आपका अपना चैनल। ये मेरी 2nd ऑफ मई को जो रिकमेंडेशंस दी थी वो हैं, सारे उनका मैंने प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस यहाँ लिखा हुआ है। 17 मई को जो दी थी उसका रिकमेंडेशंस है, और आज जो 17 मई को दी थी मैं उसका एनालिसिस आपको करके बता रहा हूँ। सबसे पहले तो अगर मैं बात करूं तो ये जो 2 मई को दिया था, आंध्रा शुगर 385 पे है और 520 का मैंने आपको टारगेट दिया हुआ, ऑलरेडी 466 इट हैज टच्ड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीक। एंड नाउ दिस हैज टच्ड 466। और अगर आप इसकी रिटर्न देखें till from 2nd May to till today, it has come down to, let me take an index so that I can pick it. Yeah, this one is 466. So total overall return, if I see, this is 21.17, Uttam Sugar 32.26, and Inoga share 50.84, 50% से ज़्यादा return है. But this has also corrected after that high and it has come down to 29. So the returns has come down to 24%, if any person has not booked on 35. Now, the another one is Dhampur Sugar, that has also come down to 324. Upside it has touched 361. So again, the return is 42, but still it is 59.5 on the high side. So I will say, please keep on holding these shares. These all shares, none of them is still in the exit category. If someone wants to book a profit, and they will may further come down by 5 to 6%, because there are some fundamental reasons behind that. These all companies are going to have a very high sugar price because there is a La Nina effect in the Latin America. So they are not going to produce sugar this time. So it is the only Indian company who are going to supply the sugar to the world. And then the ethane has ethanol, which is known as, that is being demanded a lot. Hence, you will see that this is going to give you a good result. Subex, as usual, doing good, has again corrected. So return is this week to week basis 619 minus 6.69. This one here minus 6.69. Otherwise, if you see overall return from the high point, it is 8.55. I am still in support of holding it. Please hold it, keeping your stop loss at your buy price. Okay, so that is what I will say. And then Usha Martin, you can very well exit tomorrow. Monday, exit with Usha Martin. Okay, so this has done its part. You can again purchase it back at around 38 rupees. 38 is going to be the new price at which you can buy it. But please check the fundamental again and that. BLS Finance 96 recommended. 142 is the highest. Again, 139 is the current. So return is 47.92. Again, if I go ahead with this, This is coming out here. So you, if you see this 44.7 and the overall at 47.92 from the high, I see that it can go and touch 145 and it can be corrected down to 136, 134. So you can purchase it again if you want to book a profit. It falls down. Adani Gas continue to hold, no change. It will grow and give you the better return. For the target, it is going to do it, not an issue. HR Metal, hold it. I am not asking you to exit again. Shiva Agro, it is just below stop loss, near the stop loss. If it has hits, you can exit around 37. Imbavi Industries doing very good, continue to hold. Hindustan Tin Works continue to hold, again 36% return. Flexport 7.59, hold it. Anu Pharma, good return, 19.75. Some corrections are there, but you can continue to hold. Philadex, continue to hold, no change. The target is still intact. Satluj Textile, continue to hold on. So you all are in profit if I give into these stock, except Subex and USA Martin. Exit from USA Martin, hold on Subex. Now, what are the new recommendation this week is buy JSW Steel. Steel prices are going to go high. They are lesser than the import. So buy around 698 and 695, 694. I'm going to give you the target and how we calculated that also I'm going to show it today to you. Punjab National Bank, buy it. Structural changes are happening. SBI, target 440. ITL Industry, buy and hold it longer. See, JSW Steel, PNB, SBIN, 1 week game. It is for 1 week. And if continue to next week, I will tell you. But ITL, VTM, Viranchi, and Patel Airtime, buy at current rate, long term, 3 months at least, hold it on. Your price, I feel, according to my calculation, it can be 70% return from here, 60 to 70% return. Then I again request to you all, please analyze before investing. It is your money. Okay. So one more thing I will say at the last, I'm going to show you that how you people can uh, continue to how to analyze the market. So I'm just sharing with you JSW Steel. JSW Steel presently is 698. Now, how I have changed this, that you need to find out. This is at, once it can come down to this 680, 79, 80 level, that is your stop loss going to be, and upper side near term this week 760. So 760, 780, you can 765, 64 is the target for you, and buy it. You can get it easily around 692 to 95. So buy it at current levels, target 764, 75, and further it can extend to 828 rupees. Now here you need to see one thing, that I have taken here 1 hour candle. But if you take 1 minute candle, it gives you nothing. So that is what I want to tell to you people, that you need to choose that which candle you need to see. Clear? Now, if I see 1 day candle, then see what happens. That triangle which I was making it, that gives you another rate which comes out to be here, but that is false. So sometimes people say, sir, I seen the chart, but it was not defining the way you are saying. So 674, 73 it is coming, but it is around 679, 80 is the stop loss and buy it. One more stock of BLS Finance, recommended from many weeks in my group of my students and my friends. Around 60 rupees I recommended. Now, if you, these are the three white soldiers. So if in any period, if market goes up, so it has to say some corrections. If I go with this candle, so I'm just minimizing it with 15-minute candle. Now see the chart. This is moved from here and it has taken from this place, changing the color for you. So if you see this, this has gone to this level, clear? And from this level, one hour candle. Yeah. So from here you can see this is giving you these returns. So this has gone full screen. I'm doing it for you so that you can see it more easily. And this candle, so it is at present it can go down to 138, and from here you can just see where it is going. See this. So this has gone up from this level, from 96. That was a level where I have recommended in the group to you all, and since then it has taken a vertical height. So this correction from 196 to 140, around 45. So if I take Dow theory, that is 1/3, 15. So the next correction point comes out to be 130, 126. And then if it corrects, so 115 will be the again maximum correction for this. And now if this continued with the next volume, heavy volumes have been seen from here, but this volume is, see this, it is narrowing down here and it has gone up. Heavy profit booking has came at this level. So I feel that it can, you people can get it around 130, 125 के बीच में कहीं भी, buy at these levels, and for the new target 200. So that is what I feel about this market and these stocks. Further, I would also like to show you that what are the shares for which I am going to show you the this fundamental. I am going to show you. I have already done it. Arrow Granite, Donier Industries, ITL, Cabra, Patel, Airtime, then T&I Global Limited, and Viranchi. These are going to be the fundamental analysis, and which I am going to post it for you all tomorrow. Thank you. आपसे लास्ट में यही विनती है कि अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए और अपना प्यार बनाए रहिए, अपने दोस्तों को बोलते रहिए, अपने रिश्तेदारों को बोलते रहिए वो देखें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.